Work on my ladder line. First, the elements or the wires have been tied at both ends so that they are rather taut, not exactly taut but partly taut. Now I'll start working on the ladder steps. I have placed the first step with the loops on either side, and now I'll be locking it and cutting off the extra portion. Step of the ladder is in place, and all I have to do is cut off this region. Second step is in place, and I am using this piece of plastic as a marker rather than a scale, which is easily available here. Step of the ladder line is ready. During the initial demo I had used white nylon ties, but then a YouTube friend told me that it is better to use the black one, which is likely to be long lasting due to UV protection. So this time I am using black one. If you are not familiar with how the locking mechanism works, I'll just introduce this nylon tie into this tube. That is a 6 mm drip irrigation tube, and this is the edge of the nylon tie. Now the nylon tie has been folded back on itself and introduced back in such a way that it will reach this slot here. You can see that the slot is like this. The place where the tie reaches that slot, you have to introduce the other end. This is how the two ends will look like. I will not lock it now because I have to have the wires in between the two loops. This is just for demo of how the nylon tie is locked. It was untied and the wire was introduced so that one wire is on one end of the loop and the other wire is through the other loop. Now the nylon tie has been in position, and it has been locked. I have to cut off the extra piece. For those who are not familiar, you can see that this side of the, I'll zoom it up. This side has ratchet like stripes for the nylon tie, while the other side is